Hey everyone, welcome to the Curiosity Stick. Today we're diving into the exciting world of the robotics revolution, how AI-powered robots are transforming daily life. Imagine robots helping with chores, making our jobs easier, and even exploring space. But what exactly is this revolution? Let's break it down in a fun, simple way that's easy for anyone to understand, from kids to grandparents. First off, what is the robotic revolution? It's when robots, powered by smart computer brains called AI, start doing amazing things in our everyday world. They're not just factory arms anymore. They're like helpful friends that learn and adapt. This boom is happening now in 2026, with robots popping up everywhere from homes to hospitals. And guess what? China is #1 in robotics, installing more new robots than any other country worldwide, over half of all new ones. Who are the big players? The big four in robotics are ABB, Fanuc, KUKA, and Yaskawa. These companies make tons of the robots we see in factories. But who makes the best robots in the world? Companies like Boston Dynamics with their super-agile bots, Tesla with affordable humanoids, and ABB leading in industrial strength. The most advanced robot on Earth right now? It's a tie between Boston Dynamics' Atlas, which can flip and run like an athlete, and Tesla's Optimus, which is getting smarter every day. But robots aren't perfect. What can robots not do? They can't feel real emotions like love or sadness, create truly original art from the heart, or understand deep human feelings like empathy. That's what makes us special. Now let's talk about the mind-blowing 2026 breakthroughs from major events like CES 2026 and MWC 2026. At CES, we saw Honor's robot phone with an AI brain that sees and reacts in real time. Boston Dynamics' Electric Atlas is now working in Hyundai factories, flipping heavy parts like a pro. And NVIDIA's physical AI models let robots learn super fast through simulations. Imagine a robot practicing a task 1,000,000 times in a computer before doing it for real. These 2026 trends in AI robotics are all about making bots smarter and more helpful. How are these robots changing daily life? With real examples. Picture the 1X Neo as your home assistant, doing chores like folding clothes or setting the table. Amazon's robot fleets now handle 75% of deliveries, zipping packages right to your door. Or AI-powered smart glasses that overlay directions on the real world for easy navigation. Imagine a robot cooking dinner or helping grandma with her medicine. It's making life more accessible and fun for everyone. At the heart of this is Agentic AI, the brain that lets robots think and adapt without constant human help. It's like giving robots a superpower to plan steps and learn from mistakes. For example, Google's DeepMind teamed up with Atlas to make smarter choices, turning robots from simple tools into true partners. This makes the revolution feel so close and thrilling. Humanoid robots are entering homes and workplaces big time in 2026. Check out Tesla's Optimus Gen 2. You can pre-order one for about $30,000, and it's piloting in factories. Unitree's G1 does swarm acrobatics, like a team of robot gymnasts. By 2027-2028, we might see mass adoption, with Hyundai using Atlas fleets in factories and robots becoming like family members at home. Deloitte predicts 5.5 million industrial robots by the end of 2026. And there's a green side too. Energy-efficient robots cut down on factory waste and carbon footprints. AI optimizes supply chains to use less stuff, fighting climate change. It's like robots are teaming up with Earth to make things better. But let's be real, there are ethical dilemmas and societal impacts. Robots might take over routine jobs, but they create new ones like robot trainers. Privacy is a biggie. What if AI makes deepfakes or watches us too closely? Safety matters too, like if a robot glitches in a busy spot. At events like the AI Impact Summit, experts say we need rules to keep things fair. It's exciting, but we have to think carefully. Looking ahead to 2026 to 2030, bold predictions. Billions of humanoids could transform space exploration, healthcare with precise surgery bots, and logistics. China's pumping over $140 billion in R&D, and NVIDIA's Groot platform is powering it all. The future is bright. Robots aren't alone. They're integrating with other tech like 6G for ultra-fast responses or AR, VR glasses for remote control. Qualcomm's 6G prototypes make bots react instantly like magic. Would you trust a robot chef? Comment below your robot dream job, maybe a robot explorer or dancer. That's the robotics revolution, transforming our world one bot at a time. If this sparked your curiosity, like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more mind-blowing tech. What's your take on robots in daily life? Share in the comments. See you next time.